Do you know that growing, like to grow your natural hair, is not even stressful at all? Trust me, it is not stressful. Although it is expensive, yes, but the stress part, it is not stressful. So far as you know what you are meant to do, have you identified your hair porosity? Um, do you know the products you are meant to use according to your hair porosity? Do you also know how you are meant to apply your oils according to your hair porosity? All these things are meant to be done according to your hair porosity. Then the last one now. Do you know how to wash your hair properly according to your hair porosity? Like all these years now, a lot of people have been growing their hair. Even me, I've been a victim. I've been growing my hair, using the products they've told me to use and stuff like that. But then nobody is telling you that actually you need to know your hair porosity. Once you find out your hair porosity, that is the gate to you having long and healthy hair. Once you identify your hair porosity like this, all you need next to do is, okay, this is my hair porosity. Which product am I meant to use according to my hair porosity? You find that out, you get it. Okay, how am I meant to wash my hair according to my hair porosity? You get that, you do it. Okay, how am I meant to apply oils? You do it. Which protective hairstyles am I meant to be doing? You do it. Once you've done all these things accordingly, trust me, you would start seeing difference in your hair growth and in your hair journey. Stop wasting your time using some concoctions out there that you just tell you use it without even specifying if it is good for your hair porosity or not. Yo, I wish somebody actually told me this when I started growing my natural hair, but no, nobody told me. Some of us were here to experience it so that we'll come and tell you guys out there that, okay, well, this is our experience and we don't want you guys to experience it. And that is why I have put together everything you need to know, step by step. How to know your hair porosity, the best way to identify it, like how to go about it, then the right oils you are meant to use, the right products you are meant to use. Now the products fall under your shampoos, your deep conditioners, your leave-in conditioners, and yes, of course, the oils and hair creams. Yes, then also this thing, how to wash your hair properly, and the product you are not meant to be using that you are currently using for your hair. That product that you are using that is working for somebody else and is not working for you, do you know that the problem behind it might actually be the fact that it is not meant for your hair porosity? Okay, now I'm low porosity, then I'm using a product meant for high porosity. Yo, how do I want that to work for me? Yes, there are some products that are two ways. It works for high and it works for low. But what if that product you're using works for only high, and then you as a low porosity girly, you're not using it? That's why you'll not be seeing growth, and that's why you keep on comparing your hair growth to somebody else's hair growth for as long as it may be. Now, am I behind the fact of you using concussions? No. All you need to do is, okay, this is the concussion. Maybe they say mix cloves, mix zobo, mix rosemary. Once you do that, boil it and then spray it on your hair, and then you are good to go. What if it doesn't work for you? What if you were just meant to use only rosemary water on your hair? What if you were just meant to use only zobo water, that's hibiscus water, on your hair? What if you were just meant to use only cloves water on your hair? But then you don't know your hair porosity. You don't know anything about your hair. All you know is that yes, I have natural hair, so this I should use this product, and that is what I'm using, and that is what I've been using, and then you just keep going, and then you come online and somebody else says, okay, use this product, and you're saying, that's how somebody else told me to use this product. I've used it on my hair and it did not work. The person now told you use this product. The person didn't specify, okay, this is meant to be the product. Like this product is meant for low porosity girlies. The person did not specify. But you now that I am telling you about it, you now know that okay, you are meant to go and search about it. Is this product actually good for my hair porosity? No. You not carry the product again and still use on your hair and come and be telling me that I tried this out, I tried that out, and come and be bashing some hair girlies online and be saying people are just giving us fake products. I've tried it out, it did not work for me, and stuff like that. Yo, it did not work for you. Once we tell you do something, you to go and research on your own and do it. So now, like I was saying, I've put together everything you need to know in an ebook form for you, like everything you need to know, the hidden secrets, like the game changer to growing your hair long and very healthy. These are the two. It is one thing to grow your hair long. It's one thing to have long hair and for it not to be healthy. It is another thing for you to have long hair and it is healthy. And that is the option we are going for. Long and healthy hair. So that is why I've put together everything in an ebook form. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. You guys go and click that link and then get the book. It's going for 2,500 naira only. That is less than $2. Yo, you may be going to buy, or you've planned that you'll be buying a product this weekend which cost about $20. Have you asked yourself, is that product actually meant for my hair porosity? But you don't even know anything about it. Why not just pick out less than $2, buy this ebook, and then read through it and find out this is the product I'm meant to use, this is the product I am not meant to use, before going to go and purchase that hair cream, that shampoo, that hair oil, and stuff like that. See, this year I'm out for my natural girlies. We are growing that hair long and healthy. This is the first ebook, and this ebook is just concentrated on growing long and healthy hair, the hidden secrets. Now, I'll be creating more ebooks along the way. If there's something you would want me to talk about, a hair problem you would want me to give solution to, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to find out the solution to that hair problem. Trust me, I can't give you everything, but what I am going to give you is actually going to work. So, just drop the hair problem in the description box. I've been getting people saying hair breakage, dandruff, and stuff like that. Yes, I'm going to compile all of this in an ebook form and then be dropping it for you guys to buy it. Yo, you don't expect me to give you this book for free. You need to pay to get it, because things gotten for free are not valued. They are not valued. But now you pay, you remember, yes, I paid this amount to get the book, to get the guides, in order to grow my hair long. So with all this being said, I want you all to go to the description box, click on my seller link, and then get your own book for less than $2. That's 2,500 naira. And make sure to like this video, leave a comment on the hair problem you are facing and the hair problem you want me to talk about, and share this video because somebody out there needs this. Like, buy this book for a friend and for yourself, because as you're helping yourself, you need to help other people. With that being said, bye for now. Until next time.